Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cloud SaaS. In this video, we are going to see how to create a bookmark and what is the use of bookmark. So before we get into this bookmark, let's understand what is the use of bookmark. See, basically when you're creating the dashboard, 3 or 4 visuals and the slicers, so everything, it will occupy the entire dashboard page. Okay. Now you have the more data where you want to show more visuals about the particular domain. Okay. Let's say for example, if you want to show anything more about the HR or sales like that, and you have the data but you don't have space to place the visuals. So here the bookmark plays the important role. See, bookmark is like you can place multiple visuals within the allotted space. Let's say for example, when you place a visuals in a dashboard, on top of the visuals itself you can place 2 or 3 or 4, even 5 visuals also you can place, and you can create the buttons according to number of visuals and place near to the visual so that a user can click the button what is the required visuals. Okay, this is what the use of bookmark. Let's see how to create a bookmark, because bookmark is one of the important interview question almost all the companies. You have to master the bookmark. When you do 2 or 3 times, it's easy for you to understand and you can do the bookmark easily. Okay, so I'm just placing clustered columns over here. Okay, before we look into the bookmark, I just want to tell you we are just going to cover only 2 bookmark now, which is visual level bookmark and page level bookmark. Okay, so let us discuss both these 2 bookmarks. Now let's see visual level bookmark. Here I have a table which is a fact table, and I have category, I have payment method and price. These are the columns that I am going to use. So let me take category as x-axis, okay, and price as a y-axis. Okay, let me increase the font size over here. So for this, format your visuals and go to x-axis and value is 9. Just increase to 15. Okay, now it's fine. And y-axis values again it's 9. Increase to 15. Fine. And one more thing, I want to show the value for each bar. Okay, just go to data labels and just turn it to on. Okay, now you can able to see the values over here. Now I just want to increase the value font size for this also from 9 to 15. Okay, fine. Now I just want to create one more visuals. This is for category as a x-axis. Now what I will do, just copy the visuals. That is a Control C, then just do Control V, which is paste. So now you have 2 visuals. You can place the another visual, that is second visual, on the top of the first visual. Okay. So now go to View and click the selection, where you can find the number of visuals on the dashboard. So this is a text box that I placed over here, which is visual level bookmark, and there are 2 other visuals, right? One is for category and another one is for payment method. I missed this, so just remove the category and place the payment method. Okay, now we got 2 different. One is category, another is payment method. Okay, so for payment method, I just want to change the color. So let me hide the category visuals for the time being. You just select the visual and go here and go to column and change to some other color. Okay, just untick. Now you can see both the visuals, right? Now we have to create a button. So just go to insert button and select the blank button. Okay, just increase the button size like this and go to style over here. That is, you have to select the button and you have to do, and on the text just type category. Okay, and just increase the font size to 15. Okay, let me increase to 20. It will be good. Okay, fine. Now I'm just going to create another button and just copy and paste the button. Okay, so we got another button. I'm just going to change as payment method. Okay, fine. So we have 2 buttons here, and we have to activate the accents between 2 buttons so that these visuals will show based on the selection rule. So we have 2 buttons. Now I have selected category. Go to here and double click and rename it as category button, and select the another one, which is payment method button. Okay, payment method button. So we got 2 button and 2 visuals. Now just go to view and click the bookmarks over here. So it will create the new bookmark panel. Okay, and here we have to add the bookmark. So just click the add and double click to rename it. Okay, now we have two bookmarks created. So when you select the category, the payment method visual should hide, right? So just select the category bookmark and hide the payment method visuals over here, and just click on the three dots available here and take the data and update it. The same way, when you select the payment method, the category should hide, right? So just hide the category and untick the data and update it. So just click the category button and you can find the action here. Okay, just click on and expand this action button. Set the type as bookmark and bookmark pages. There is bookmark as this is for category, right? So select the category bookmark. Okay, and for payment method button, select this and go to action on type as bookmark and select the bookmark as payment method bookmark. Fine. So we done completed it. Just untick the selection and bookmark. For the time being, let us see. So you have to press the control key and select the category button to show the category visuals. Okay. The same way you have to press the control key and click on the payment method to show the payment method visuals. Okay. So this is how we need to create the bookmark. For page level bookmark, go to button and blank and increase the size to 30. Okay, 25 will be great. Fine. The same way you just click Ctrl C and Ctrl V to get the duplicate of the button. Change it to payment method page. Okay. Just click the bookmark panel and selection. Here you have to create the two bookmarks for the page level, right? So just click add. So select category page level bookmark and hide the payment method and click on the three dots, update it. And go to payment method again to this page and hide the category and show the payment method, update. You have to untick the data. Just update it. Okay. Select the category page button on for action and select as bookmark as category page level bookmark. Okay. Then for payment method, just on the action bookmark and payment method page level bookmark. Okay. When you click the button, you have to press control key and click the category page. So it will shows the categories sales, right? And go to this page over here. So you have to press the control key and click the payment method page. So it will show you the entire page. Okay. If you have any challenges in Power BI, please do comment below in this video. Thanks for watching and like the video, share with others, and one small request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.